Hey everybody, it's Dina Rico from the Creativity Cave, and I'm super excited, as always, to see you, but I'm going to tell you all about my holiday catalog paper share. You've asked for it, and it is here again, back by popular demand. Let me show you what is included in this year's share. So we've got the new holiday catalog and celebration catalogs. They're about to go live at the 1st of July, and I'm so excited to share with you all the new things that are coming in this year's catalog. The share is a big stack of paper, and what I love about doing these shares is, of course, you get a lovely sampling of all the papers, but Stampin' Up! Does such a great job at including papers for the holidays that you can also use for cards for any occasion. So I'll kind of be pointing that out as we go. Our first pack of paper is this beautiful candy cane paper, and I don't know the names. I'm sorry, I can't even do the names, but it's super fun paper. As you can see, those green stripes would be great for a not Christmas card, as is the polka dots. More wonderful things that you can do with this paper beyond just Christmas. Of course, all these papers coordinate with other products in our catalog. Look at this gorgeous poinsettia paper. It is so beautiful. But what I just love is on the back side of these papers, there are things outside of the holidays that you could use that paper on. So I just love that Stampin' Up! Is so thoughtful in the way they create their papers. Ooh, that is pretty paper. Goodness. This is a new big pack of paper. It's called something about gingham. Aren't you impressed with my knowledge? I can't remember. My brain is too full. I'd prefer to have ideas in my brain than paper names. But they're all listed, and all of this will be posted on my blog, where I will indeed list out all the individual papers that come in the share, just in case I'm missing any in my video. I think I have them all, but you never know. So that's a nice big paper pack. Ooh, this is really fun stuff for fall. There's a beautiful suite that coordinates with this as well. So we've got these beautiful pumpkins. Look at those awesome patterns. Look at that piece. It's upside down, but you get the drift. Oh, wonderful. And again, the back sides are all perfect for not, the specific holiday. So I just love that. This is a really cute train suite that we have. Look at how cute these Santas on the trains are. Santa and Mrs. Claus. But again, really good paper. Look at how fun that is. This one is probably just a teensy bit more dedicated to Christmas, but I love that there's so much variety. And what I also love about shares, look at this, is just black and white paper, my favorite. Look at the dots. Oh. What I love about shares, of course, is that you get a wonderful sampling of all the things, and then you know what you want to maybe get more of, or else you can just enjoy these pieces. This is our new Gnome Suite. Look at how fun this paper is, though. Oh my goodness. Look at that. It's so cute. Oh, so cute. I love paper that's watercolory. This is another pack of really pretty paper. This is a big suite as well. It's got, look at that. That's kind of like bokeh. And this has foil in it. It's very beautiful. These are gold foil sheets. And you can see these can coordinate with a really fun suite of products. And oh, so beautiful. Ooh, I can't wait to play with this stuff. Look at all of that. And of course, the gold on it is just gorgeous. Then this is some specialty paper. It's kind of like printed glimmer paper, I guess. It's definitely, it's got something funky on it. And then there's these metallic sheets, so that's really cool. Now, all of my shares, actually, I think there's really only one option, but it includes 6x6 sheets of everything. This is some specialty vellum, and oh, friends, look at that. It's like iridescent printing on some of the sheets. Then there's flocking on others. Look at that. We had some poinsettia flocked paper a while ago, and this kind of reminds me of that. So half of the sheets are flocked and half of the sheets are this iridescent-y foiling. So it's gorgeous vellum. Oh, so pretty. Then we also have, this is a pack of paper. It's just kind of really nice paper. It's just got some metallic foiling on it. On that paper. This looks to be kind of either, well, I would say cherry cobbler and then gold, or I don't know, this might be crushed curry and then maybe soft succulent. Don't quote me on those names for sure. Then we've got, I'm super excited about this. This is a package of Glimmer Paper. There's vanilla, evening evergreen, and gold. And oh, who doesn't like Glimmer Paper? It's just the best stuff. I love it. Okay, then we've got some more beautiful papers. This is Splendid Day, which is a gorgeous suite. Oh goodness, you guys. This paper is amazing. And it's all kind of got this foil, like colored foily sheen. I don't even know how to describe it, but it's beautiful. I mean, it's really gorgeous stuff. And then there's beautiful patterns on the back. Oh my goodness, it's so pretty. So pretty. So I'm totally digging that. Okay, so I think that's all of the papers. Now, as a bonus, wait, there's one more. There's host paper, which you will also get. And this host paper is pretty sweet. Both literally and figuratively. Sorry, I couldn't even help myself. We've got the patterns are really fun and bright and cheerful and not necessarily Christmas. I mean, there are definitely Christmas patterns, but then like the backside is not. Look at those bright ornaments. They're so fun. I love this paper. So this is a host special paper that you can get. It comes in a big fat pack of 12 by 12. I think there's 48 sheets, and you will get a quarter pack of this like everything else. Oh, you had me at red and hot pink. I'm just saying. Okay, as well as this rainbow stripe. So you'll get that. And then we also have some celebration paper. You'll get 2 different sets of celebration papers. This is the ring of trees, or tree rings, or something about trees and rings. I don't know. It's gorgeous paper. Like, it's really, really pretty. Like, really pretty. Like, I love it. We've got some dies that will cut that out in the catalog, but it's really nice paper. There's also some white foiling paper that is is both gold and silver. Like, there's gold sheets and silver sheets. This is also some celebration paper, so you'll get some of that. And finally, I will even include some of the cards and envelopes. That is another celebration choice. And so you'll get some of this as well. So all of these are bonus extras. And then this big old stack of paper is included. Again, everything is a quarter package of all the different things in 6x6 sheets. Now you can order your share in, I'll put a little link that like pops up on the top, as well as there'll be in the description of this video. I'll have all the information in there for you. Shares will ship around July 20th, provided you register for them by the 1st. So register early to get in on that first round of shipping. And then once my spots are filled up, I will open up more rounds as there is demand for them. So if you have any questions, don't hesitate to leave me a comment. I'm happy to answer them for you. And I am so excited to share all of this holiday and not holiday goodness with you. I just love that there's a lot of stuff in here that's not super holiday-esque, that you can really do a lot of different things with. Oh, so way to go, Stampin' Up! Thanks for some amazing paper, and I am excited to be able to offer you shares again. Have a great day, friends. We'll see you soon. Bye-bye.